En 10 minutos subió 1 metro. No le dio tiempo a nadie de salir. Algunos salieron, otros no, porque todo el mundo, si vos buscas mano de obra en ese momento para salvar tus cosas de tu casa, todo el mundo anda como dicen, sálvese quien pueda.
We were so proud of being part of the humanitarian action that is taking place on the ground to help people regain communication, because the first thing that you think of is how to communicate with the ones that you love, to make sure that everything is going well with them, and also for the humanitarian responders on the ground to be able to update their headquarters.
So one of the key messages I highlighted is the opportunities brought by mobile networks, such as the fact that 95% of the world's population is covered by a mobile broadband network. And this makes mobile phones an important channel to reach people at risk, particularly by using cell broadcast technology for early warning systems.